कॉन्फिडेंस नजर आ रहा है। गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। नाउ टुडे वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट द सॉलिड स्टेट्स, द थर्ड lecture. Previously we have discussed about the close packing in a solids in different ways. So we are discuss today the packing efficiency in a solids. Now today in a packing efficiency, पहले हमें ये देखना है कि पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी क्या है, इसे हम पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी क्यों कहते हैं। तो देखो, मैं एक सीधा सा डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ, आप इसकी हेल्प से थोड़ा समझिए। मैं आपने हम डिस्कस कर लिया फिर भी, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपको डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ। इस डायग्राम में आप ये देख रहे हैं, ये मैंने एक डायग्राम मेंशन किया है। इस डायग्राम में आप देख रहे हैं दे आर स्फीयर्स है। इसके बीच में ये स्फीयर्स इन्होंने ऑक्युपाइड स्पेस कर लिया, यहाँ पर ये खाली स्पेस है। तो लाइक दिस every solid states, every patterns have some empty space and some occupied space. So the today part is our in this units to discuss the how much space occupied by the spheres in a solids in different patterns like FCC, BCC, simple UV unit cells. So first of all, what is the packing efficiency? So packing efficiency means, पहले हमें ये देखना है कि पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी होती क्या है। तो पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी में समझने के लिए हम पहले एक डेफिनेशन लिखते हैं। उस डेफिनेशन से हम ये क्लियर करेंगे कि व्हाट इज ए पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी। नाउ सो द पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी मींस the percentage of, write down definition, the percentage of total space, occupied by the sphere, the total space, the percentage of total space, you know, here is the space occupied by the sphere is called efficiency, is called packing efficiency. What my words? So packing efficiency means the total percentage, the percentage of total space occupied by the spheres is called packing efficiency. Now packing efficiency can be calculated in simple unit cells. They have different in FCC, in BCC. So first we look to calculate the percentage of efficiency in simple unit cells. So now come to the point here, packing efficiency. I think आप समझ गए होंगे ये packing efficiency. So now look forward to the packing efficiency. So first we draw the diagram and discuss it. We draw the diagram. Okay. So number one, you put the diagram here. Packing efficiency means that is simple unit cell. This is a simple unit cell here. This one is a simple unit cell. So this structure very simple. In simple unit cells, they consider A, B, C and D in simple unit cell. So it is a cube. Simple unit cell, calculation of packing efficiency in simple unit cell. So you look here, आप डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं आप, ये यूनिट सेल है। इस यूनिट सेल में देखो ये यहां से यहां तक जो पार्ट है, हम इसको सिंपल वे में देखेंगे। यहां से यहां पार्ट है, ये है, और मैंने कोई भी आप ले लीजिए, देयर आर 6 फेसेस, ये 6 फेस है, 6 फेस है। तो इसको देखने के लिए सिंपल यूनिट सेल्स में आप देख रहे हैं कि यहां पर ये स्पीयर्स है, दिस इज स्पीयर्स, दिस इज स्पीयर्स, this is the spheres and this is the spheres. Okay, now these are the spheres. Now here आप जानते हो, सपोज इन सिंपल यूनिट सेल, सपोज द ए, इसके हम लेंथ कह सकते हैं ए बी, हियर ए बी इन सिंपल that is cube, you see the cube, you looks like, आप देख रहे हो इसे क्यूब है। इस क्यूब का एज, हम क्यूब द एज लेंथ हम यहां से कंसीडर कर सकते हैं, एज लेंथ, द एज लेंथ इक्वल टू, दैट इज ए बी इक्वल टू ए बी that is A is the edge length. Okay, A is the edge length, and here you अगर find करें आप, this is a sphere. Now the radius of this is R, radius of this R, and अगर हम दूसरा sphere इसे consider करने से साथ में, तो ये यहाँ तक हो गया, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, तो इसका भी R, तो टोटल हम इसको कंसीडर कर सकते हैं A, that is R plus R equal to A, R2R equal to A, that is called edge length. तो edge length हम इसको डिसाइड कर सकते हैं, edge length, the sphere that is they are touching to each other, these two spheres are touching to each other, so this is the edge length. Okay, edge length. Now these are here, consider that is edge length. Okay, now very simple, all of you know that is simple. Now number of spheres, you know, number of spheres in simple unit cell, already you have discussed yesterday, but today we can also calculate is number 1. So there is 8 corners, 8 above and 8 below, so 8 divided by 1 upon 8 equal to 1. So the Z is equal to 1. Z is the number of molecules, number of atoms in a simple unit cells. Okay, now here is, you know, the volume of unit, no sorry, volume of cube, that is cubic unit cell, because it is cube, so its volume is a cube, Now the volume of one sphere already you know that is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So the total volume occupied by spheres is equal to 1 Why we multiply by 1? Because total number of atoms in simple unit cell is equal to 1, that is z is equal to 1. So it is multiple. And the volume of 4 by 3 r cube. So the total volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now, so next is the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency means the volume, total volume, that is volume of spheres. Volume of spheres equal to divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. So you put the volume of spheres, total volume of spheres, how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube upon a cube. You know the a cube. Here is a upon cube. And more important, you know the value of a. A you are here considered as a. You are considered a is the edge length. A is edge length. So a is equal to be also regarded as 2 pi 2r. So here we can find out in the terms of r, 2r upon power 3 to 8r3. So you put here 1 by 100 equal to 4 pi 3 pi r cube upon 8. So put the value of 2r to the power 3 into 100. Now here that is 4 pi 3 r3 upon 8 r cube into 100, and sorry, after calculation you will get the total volume of this is 52%. 52.4%. So this is the occupied space. Occupied space, that is occupied space by is 52.4%. So you can also calculate here the unoccupied space of the spheres. So next year we conclude that, suppose that this is the simple unit cells. In simple unit cell we calculate the packing efficiency in the molecules. So packing efficiency means you know the edge length of AB is equal to AB, this is the edge length. You consider as a edge length. So edge length here, edge length. Now you also here discuss edge length. Now here the edge length of A, that is number of the spheres. Number of the spheres are to atoms. That is atoms. In a simple unit cell is equal to 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to this, and z is equal to 1. So total number of molecules in simple unit cell is equal to 1. So volume of cube unit cell is equal to A3. Now this one, volume of the space, volume of one sphere is equal to this. So total volume of occupied by space, this. Now continues this, you can calculate the percentage. So this is the one of simple unit cells. So next is, so I इसे मैं मिटा सकता हूं, तो मैं मिटा रहा हूं. नेक्स्ट हम लेंगे सिंपल यूनिट इज ओवर. अब हम लेते हैं फेज सेंटर. फेज सेंटर is also a simple, or I think you calculate in simple manner. So come on to the B, face center. You know the face center, and face center is very simple. Just take, first of all, you take the example, sorry, you put here. Now draw the diagram first. In face center, in face center, unit cell. You draw the diagram first. This is diagram, face center diagram. Now the simple unit cell, any face, you know the face, every face have, there is an FCC that has 6 face. So in every face have 1 point, that is angle A, B, C. We can take here any example. Suppose I took here, this is the face top, that is this one. I took it, this and this upper part, upper face, not this. Okay, so angle you can mention here. So simple unit cells, you can draw the diagram ABC, that is A B C, A B C, A B C, A B C, A B C. So this is the ABC diagram. Okay, ABC. Now here this is the face, upper part. So this is the face, and also face, and also this one. This is a face. Diagonally, this one face, this one face, this one is face. Okay. So this is the face, this one face. Angle A, B and C. This one angle A, B and C. So now here in face center, total number of atoms. First of all, you think here number of atoms, that is Z, is equal to, so 8, 1 upon 8 plus face center means, you know the face center, the total number of molecules. First step to calculate the total number of atoms in face center. So there are 6 phase, and 6 phase, that is 1 upon 2, because of its contribution is 1/2 of each atom in a phase, and there are 6 phase, so divide 1 and 3, total is 4. So number of atoms in FCC, that is Z, is equal to 4. Okay, now the volume of sphere, volume of cubic unit cell, also a cube. First of all, write down whichever you know, and here come to the angle 1. So here angle ABC, A, B and C. Angle ABC, you calculate here AC, BC and BC. So here very simple to calculate the angle. The length of AC is equal to AC square, ABC square plus BC square. You know the angle ABC. You listen here. AC, BC and AC and BC. So in this way you put the value of AC. Clear? Now one more thing here. Suppose this is O sphere and sphere, that is R and 2R, 2R and R. So this is AC is equal to, this is AC is equal to 4R. AC is equal to 4R and AC is equal to 4R. You mention this one is A and also this one is A. A is the edge length. A is the edge length. Now AC square. AC square is equal to, you mention the AB is A square and BC is equal to also A square. So A square, that is 2A square. You know the AC is equal to, you find here AC, that is AC under root 2A. Under root 2A. You calculate here AC is equal to under root 2A. Now you know that AC is equal to, you know, now AC is equal to 4R. Now put here the value of AC. So AC is equal to 4R is equal to under root 2 into A. Now you calculate the value of AR, that is value of A. So A is equal to 4R under root 2. Under root 2. Clear? So under root 2 values. So now volume of sphere, you also know the volume of sphere and R. R is okay. So this is the edge length of this. Now volume of sphere, you also know the volume of sphere in sphere, sorry, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. So the total volume of sphere in FCC is equal to 4, that is total number of 4. Total number of 4, you multiply by the 4. Why is 4? Because total number of atoms in a FCC is 4. So multiply by 4 and sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube. Okay. Now here pi r cube. अब यहां पर हमको कैलकुलेट करना है कि पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी. सो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल इज इक्वल टू, नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ आर. यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ आर. आर इज एक वॉल्यूम. यू नो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल, वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल इक्वल टू A. You know the value of A. Where is A? A is this one. A is value this one. So volume of unit cell equal to this one, 4 by under root 2 into R to the power 3. To the power 3. So this becomes equal to 32 R under root 2 into R cube. Under root 2 into R cube. अब आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ ये वैल्यू रखना है. ये वैल्यू रख देंगे आप यहाँ से. अब वैल्यू रखते हैं यहाँ पर. तो हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे टू वॉल्यूम पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी एफिशिएंसी इक्वल टू, थोड़ा स्पेस कम रह गया, मैं इसको थोड़ा मिटा रहा हूं,